So today we are going to learn the meaning of this piano symbol or a music symbol. And it's called a flat symbol, sign. And so if you see this note, you're told to play the note E, which is of course here. That's E. But if they put a flat sign next to the E on the left side of the E note, then you have to play one key closest to the left. So this is E. One key closest to the left is this one, the black key. Some students might think intuitively it's this one, but between this and this, which one is closest to E? It is this. So this is E flat. So then let's say that we want to make an A flat. So let's find A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So this is A. A flat is one key closest to the left. So that's this. This is A. This is A flat. How about let's do a D. And then a D flat to the left. How about a trickier one? How about an F? This is F. How about F flat? Well, one key closest to the left would be this one. So this is F and this is F flat. But this one also has a different name, which is E. So it's both E or F flat, depending on the situation. Okay, how about let's do another tricky one. Let's do a C and C flat. C, C flat, one key to the left. That's C flat, which happens to also be a note, B. So this is both a B or a C flat, depending on the situation. So this is C, this is a C flat. Now, the composer might write a song like this. You don't have to really learn. If you haven't learned these notes, you don't have to. But these notes are D, C, B flat. So I'm going to play them. It's D, C, B flat, and then D, C, B flat, and then B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat. That's B flat, right? But this is a lot of flat signs the composer has to write out. So it's a little bit of waste of space and ink, and it makes the page look a little bit more complicated than it has to be. So a lot of times what composers do is, since they know there will be a lot of these symbols on the page, they simplify it by putting the symbols in the front of each line. So this one on the a little bit on the bottom, this one tells you that if you see the note B, please play with B flat. And this upper one tells you that if you see E, please play E flat. And how do I know this is B and not A or G? Well, because you see the middle part of this empty circle here. Well, it lands on this line, right, on the middle line. So if I were to put a note here, what would that note be? That note would be a B. So that's why I know when I see a B, I should play a B flat. How about this one? What is this circle here? What does it land on? It lands on this space. So if I were to put a note here, what would this note be? It happens to be an E. So now I know every time I see E, I play E flat. So every time I see E, instead of playing E, I don't play E anymore. I play E flat. Every time I see B, I play B flat. So now you read the music this way. D, C, B flat. D, C, B flat. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat. And you play accordingly. So this is the beginning of hot corresponds. So yeah, so that's how you kind of demystify the symbol and meanings of the flat signs, and you can even make your own flat signs like we just did in the first 2 minutes. Okay, if there's anything that you wish to learn in under 5 minutes or around 5 minutes, please comment below and I will do my best. Thank you.